In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the trunk lift support or the trunk strut on this Hyundai Sonata. This is what helps lift up the trunk lid once you open it. There are two of them, and I always recommend replacing both in pairs. Let's get started. Once the trunk is open, you can see one of these pistons on each side. To undo it, you're going to want a pocket screwdriver or a pick, something that'll get in here and pry this metal tab out. Hold it there and then push out on this. Of course, you want to get your tool back out of it. Set that aside. Inspect the mounting area. This one is a little bit dirty, but it's not corroded. Oftentimes they do corrode. What I'm going to do is just wipe it down with a rag so that the new strut can have a clean area to mount on. I'm going to take the new one while I'm here and just clip it right on. There is already a little bit of grease installed inside these joints, so you don't need to apply anything. Just clip it on as is. Up at the top, same deal. I'm going to stick a pocket screwdriver right in here, open this up, and pry it out. Wipe the old grease off or any gunk that has built up. Take the new one, twist it if necessary, move the trunk lid also if necessary to get everything lined up. Press it on, and there you have it. Now you do the same exact thing on the other side.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.